Hello and welcome to this instalment of Talking Trim. I'm Jonathan Skinner and today we are looking at the hardtop headliner kit for the Jaguar E-Type Open Two-Seater Roadster. Now this kit is applicable to the Series 1 and Series 2 models. The Series 3s was a different kit, although very similar, so you can use this as a basic guide for these. Now not many of the E-Type Roadsters had hardtops, but they did offer a factory hardtop, and this is the headliner kit for retrimming the inside of that hardtop. Now originally they left the factory in a sort of PVC material, like a white or an off-white, which we do offer, this sort of material here. But we also offer an upgrade, which wasn't original, from the factory, which is woolcloth material. Now the woolcloth, very high quality material, and it's what was used on the fixed head coupe and 2+2 coupe versions of the cars. So we can offer it in grey, beige or green. This is obviously a beige woolcloth, but I've got the other samples here. So we've got beige, grey and green. So they're the kind of options that we can do there. And it really does look nice in this woolcloth. I have the honour of having a Series 3 V12 Roadster, and I have a factory hardtop, and we've retrimmed ours in grey woolcloth. There will be photos on the website, so be sure to check that out. But yeah, this is the kit we offer. Before I dive too much into the kit, please remember to check the description below. So there's going to be some useful information about this kit stated below, including things that I might overlook in this video here, as well as other useful links to similar products that we can offer, and links obviously to where to buy the items on our website. It's also worth checking out the links to the blog and handbook area of our website. It kind of really shows the way we do things in this business. We work quite differently, work to a very high level of quality and workmanship, which is what we're renowned for worldwide. And these blog and handbook posts really do show elements of that. So be sure to check that out. Don't assume that other suppliers do everything the same way we do. This is why I'm doing this YouTube channel, to kind of show the levels of quality that we work to. But don't assume that everyone in the industry does this. No one really does apart from us, so just bear that in mind. Anyway, let's dive on in. So this is the kit. Like I say, it's normally PVC originally from the factory, but we've done this one in woolcloth. But the kit's pretty much the same apart from that material. So it includes the headliner material, which obviously in this shot here is all the beige style stuff here. It's a mix of pre-cut kind of woolcloth, and then you get a separate frame padding for the sort of surrounds there. Apart from the centre section, this is pre-bonded. We're one of the only companies in the world that offer pre-bonded woolcloth. So that's for the main section above your head. If you were going for the PVC version, i.e. this version here, then you would get a foam pad. In fact, this is that foam pad here, for lining the top part, because the PVC doesn't come pre-bonded. But for woolcloth kits, that main section is pre-bonded there, but all the other sections are not. They're just woolcloth, and then applicable bits of foam are supplied for retrimming those. You also get millboard pieces. So as we're looking at this kit here, that's the front of the car, left, right and back. So you get a millboard piece there for the sort of header rail section, then the sides, the left section, the right section above, obviously where the side windows are, and then the back section trim there. So that's pretty much the kit. Yeah, lovely stuff. Like I say, hardtops aren't particularly commonly seen on the E-Types, but they do look absolutely gorgeous in my opinion, and certainly worth considering upgrading to a woolcloth kit, because they really do look the parts. But if not, obviously we can supply the close to original PVC material. Yeah, I think that pretty much covers it. Thanks for tuning in. Please remember to like, subscribe and share with other classic car enthusiasts, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.